This is a Pubg Mobile squad house and we are going to 3D print this Battlegrounds squad house with our Ender 3 Pro 3D printer. I did not found any 3D printable squad house 3D models, so I made my own Pubg Mobile 3D squad house, which is divided into 5 parts to minimize the 3D printing error and printing time. Let's 3D print it. ये रहा पहला पार्ट। ये रहा दूसरा पार्ट। ये रहा तीसरा पार्ट। और ये रहा चौथा। चलो, ये भी ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट हो गया। So our 3D printing part is complete. Let's color it. Here are the final results. So we are going to make this Pubg Mobile building in our next video. And if you want to see this Wi-Fi controlled smartphone mask, then check out our channel. मिलते हैं दूसरे वीडियो में। यार सीडी डालना भूल गया इसके अंदर।